Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today, let's explore an incredible trek in the Himalayas called Brahmatal. Brahmatal Trek is a popular winter trek in the Indian state of Uttarakhand. It is a moderate trek that takes you through beautiful forest of oak, charming villages and scenic meadows covered in snow. The trek starts from a small village called Lohajung and passes through places like Bekaltal, Brahmatal and Janti Top. The highlight of the trek is the stunning Brahmatal Lake, which is frozen in the winters and surrounded by the majestic peaks of Nanda Ghunti and Trishul. The total distance covered in this trek is around 22 km and it takes around 4 to 5 days to complete the trek. Friends, let's get started. The journey to Brahmatal begins in the town of Rishikesh, located in the state of Uttarakhand. You can take a direct train or a bus from New Delhi, which will take you there in about the same amount of time. The nearest airport to Rishikesh is Chamoli Grant Airport, Dehradun. If you have booked the trek through indiahikes, plan to stay near Lakshman Jhula, as indiahikes will arrange for cabs close to Lakshman Jhula at 5:30 am on day 1. Got up in the morning, freshened up, and reached the pickup station provided by coordinator at 5:30 am. The cabs had already arrived, and we all got into the cab to start our journey towards the base camp at Lohajung. Lohajung is located 260 kilometers away from Rishikesh, and we were supposed to travel almost the whole day to reach there. As we started our journey, it was drizzling and the weather was cold. However, as the day progressed, we were treated to beautiful scenic views of big mountains, which was a treat for our eyes. While enjoying the scenic views of the Ganga river on the right, don't miss the opportunity to visit popular tourist destinations like Devaprayag and Dari Devi temple. Devaprayag is a holy town, situated at the confluence of Alkananda and Bhagirathi rivers, which unite to form Ganga river. The town is considered as a sacred site by Hindus and is known for its ancient Raghunathji temple, which is dedicated to Lord Rama. Dari Devi temple is a Hindu temple, situated on the banks of the Alkananda river and is dedicated to goddess Kali. The temple is known for its unique wooden architecture and is considered as a sacred site by Hindus. Legend has it that the temple was built at the spot where the upper half of the body of the goddess Durga fell after it was cut by Lord Vishnu. The road towards the end is dangerous, yet breathtaking, and doesn't give you the slightest hint of what lies ahead. After traveling for 10 hours, we finally reached Lohajung. Upon our arrival, we were warmly welcomed by an amazing team leader, Mr. Marvin. We had an introduction session where our trek leader explained what exactly was going to happen over the next 4 days. Here is what our trek leader has to say.
My introduction is left. So my name is Mervin. Hi. Thank you. So born and brought up in Mumbai. Before joining India Hikes, I was working as a financial analyst with Morgan Stanley for 2 years. But somewhere I didn't feel very connected to the work that I was doing and always wanted to be a part in the outdoors. And from my background, I stay with my grandmother, and she used to always take me for runs. She used to always She used to travel and she used to take me with her, and that's where I got more in the outdoors. That's why I came here as a trekker, and like how you guys are sitting, I was one of you guys over here, and there was a trek leader who was talking like how I'm talking now, and somewhere he inspired me. They inspired me to be a part of something that is more than any monetary benefits or any more than money can buy. So that made me think, and now I'm here. I started last year in June around Manali season, where I did Hamta Pass, Brigo Lake. Then I went to Sandakpur in Darjeeling. Then I did multiple treks in Uttarakhand, and it's been around 20 treks that I've led. And started as an assistant trek leader, where we had undergone through safety training around facilitation and a lot of trainings as to how you have to prepare yourself in terms of technical, in terms of taking care of each other. So a lot of training have been done, and only after qualifying, I'm standing where I'm standing now. To what Sir said, I would like to just tell you, come with an open mind. कि lot of time we coming from the city, हमारे दिमाग में आधे टाइम टेंशन ही चला रहता है. चल हम तभी चल रहे हैं, हमको आधे टाइम हमारे दिमाग में चल रहा रहता है कि नेक्स्ट टाइम सेट कब पहुंचेंगे, बर्फ कितनी होगी, टेंट कैसे रहेंगे, खाना क्या मिलेगा. आधे टाइम टेंशन इधर उधर चलती रहती है, और उसमें कभी आपने रोडो मिस कर लिया या किसी बेर को देखना मिस कर दिया, then that will be your loss, right? So make sure कि you see and you be present in every moment that is there. Even if it is a sky full of stars, be there to experience it. Even if there is night full of snowstorm, be prepared for it. Because in the mountains, we can't expect. Whatever is there, we have to take it with all our heart and with all our soul. Is that a yes?
Yes.
Yes?